New apartment, new apartment, new apartment. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Busi and I'm moving, and this is my new spot and I'm so excited. I have a couple of things lined up. First, apartment tour, empty apartment tour, because I haven't lifted a single box to put in here. I've got some boxes that I'm gonna unpack for the kitchen, but that's it for today. And then tomorrow will be like the big move with the trucks and the works, right? So I just wanted to start the process of today so that tomorrow is a little less work to do. I'm so excited to show it to you guys. Please like, please comment, please subscribe. Well, that's the other way around. So subscribe, comment and like this video, and yeah, turn on your notifications so that we go through this journey together of styling this apartment like the adults that we are supposed to be. Let's do this, guys. So excited. I hope you enjoy the video. So when you enter, this is what you get: a yard, a little yard, and then this beautiful sliding door. That door sold me. Like, that is the door. The light that comes into the apartment, it's just incredible, and it opens all the way. So just like guys, I can't even, And as you enter is the living room, and okay, the dining room, and then the living room. Open plan vibes, and then you get through to the kitchen. And yeah, the kitchen is also beautiful. I mean, look at those cabinets, look at that glass finish. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, it's clean, modern, feels modern. Just look at that open plan. The lighting is excellent, and yeah, that's the pantry, and that's where you can put your fridge. And then outside is also another yard situation, washing line, another gate. So so much space. I love that you have so much outdoor space as well. Oh, and there's a bathroom situation downstairs, a toilet. Beautiful, convenient for my guests. Look at that mirror, so cute, so cute. Yeah, and that's downstairs. And then upstairs you have the bedrooms and the bathroom. And then this is the main bedroom. Beautiful, love the windows, and there's a cabinet as well. And then this is the second bedroom, a little smaller, but I mean, it'll do for visitors and stuff. Another cupboard space as well. So yeah, just standard bedrooms, I guess. Lighting is also great, so they have the beautiful downlights, which is great. And then there is the full bathroom. You've got your shower, you've got your tub, you've got the works. I love the mirror. Even the mirror downstairs in the bathroom was really beautiful, cute. And yeah, modern finishes. The sink is modern. Love, 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 love. And yeah.
Controlling, and you say that you love me mind, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with 3 bits in my own. Love is so kind, it feels right when it's gone. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm still with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way.
I'm leaving home, guys. I'm leaving home. Everything is done. All my stuff is taken. This has been home for the longest time, but here we go. Here we go. To new beginnings. To new beginnings. Hi guys, it's the next day and all I can say, this is not for the faint-hearted. I am so tired, so tired. So yeah, the movers came this morning and we were, you know, packing everything. It took like 2 hours and we just got here. I think it's gonna take another 2 hours to offload, and then I have to pack everything out. So that's what's happening. But my people are here and we're drinking, so that makes life so much easier. That's my people. Yeah, guys, yo, it's a lot. But yeah, I'll speak to you guys when we almost done with arranging stuff and it's a bit more quiet. Yeah, see you then.
We are sit the Henny for the day, baby. Bad man, we not spare, baby. Oops, I done fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but you don't know from the first time I seen your love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I will fall for you, you got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell so deep, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I done fell so deep, cause everyone falls in love sometimes. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime. If you let me love you, love you, love you, love you for a long time, baby. If you let me touch and if you let me love you till the morning, if you let me love you, if you let me love you, we are standing for the day, baby. Come my way, baby. Top down on the highway, baby. If you let me love you, shorty, she ain't even got a visa.
Hi guys, hi, evening, it's evening. My friends have just left and I think we are done for today. I'm super tired, I'm exhausted, but I'm glad that everything is in its place, kind of, the big pieces at least. I think you saw my friends assembling some of the stuff that I got, and the people with the moving, they did good except for my plant. Let me show you. This guy really didn't do justice. He actually broke my plant right up here, this part. So I don't know if I should just take this off or it's still going to survive. So yeah, I was very cross about that. Other than that, everything seems to be coming together. I know it doesn't look like it, but I mean, like I said, the big furniture pieces are where they're supposed to be. I just need to put these rugs down. One is for my bedroom and the other for the lounge. Please excuse the mess, but it's just to show you guys that, yeah, we've made some progress, and the TV has been mounted, and I'm happy with the guys' job. They did very well. The stand, my friends assembled this for me, which is great. I think it looks beautiful. I love it. I think this is just beautiful. The rustic finish is really gorgeous, and my dresser upstairs is the same vibe. And yeah, fridge is where it's supposed to be. Most of the stuff is in the cupboard. Yeah, I just need to decorate and clean the place properly. And then upstairs, I also need to do quite a bit actually, in terms of unpacking my clothes and, you know, the bed, doing the bed. I'm probably going to sleep on the couch tonight because I don't think I'll have the energy to do my bed like afresh. I think I'm just gonna take a bit of a breather now and start, sorry I'm so close, and then start cleaning up, just tidying up, and, you know, finishing the rest of the smaller items downstairs. And then tomorrow I'll do upstairs, and then I will show you guys how the place looks. So the initial look of the apartment, I'll reveal tomorrow. But for today, I am gonna sign out. If you're still here, then I appreciate you.
A few moments later.
Yes, my friends decided to come back. So yeah, they came back and we decided to just, you know, chill out, celebrate, you know. I'm going to leave this video here. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for joining and staying this long. Bye.
I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look.